How to solve AutoMix not working on iOS 26 update. So if you want to solve AutoMix not working on iOS 26 update, then what you need to do is, first of all, you have to make sure that you have an active Apple Music subscription. Otherwise, you won't be able to find the AutoMix options on your playing screen. After that, try the advanced solutions. So first, you need to open up your settings. Now, once you're on your settings, you need to just scroll down and then go with general right here. And next, you need to tap on the iPhone storage. Once you're on your iPhone storage, you need to scroll down a little bit and then find the music from here. If you don't find it, you can also search for the music or go with show all. Scroll down. And once you find it, just tap on music. Now, tap on offload and then again tap on offload app. And you need to offload the application. After that, tap on reinstall and try to update your music app. For that, you need to just go back and then open up your app store. From your app store, you need to go with search, which is on the bottom, and then search for music. Or you can also search for Apple Music. And then if you see that if there's any update, then you just need simply go and update it. Once done, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings again. And from your settings, you need to just scroll down. And here you will have the general section. Tap on general. Under general, scroll all the way down and go with transfer reset iPhone. Tap on it and then go with reset and reset your settings. Once you reset your settings, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.